Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs and the Airfly Landscapes blog. So I'm here at a garden in the city of Tustin. It's a backyard designed by me, installed by Ed Wallace of Midwest Landscaping for the Municipal Water District Turf Rebate Program designed through the Plant Nerd. I'm going to show you what this garden looks like, but before I do, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Alrighty, let's turn this camera around and show you what this looks like. Alrighty. There's fallen leaves from the plumeria that was existing that we kept. There's a few weeds, again, par for the course. You're always going to get a few here and there. The plant palette is kangaroo paw, that's a white sage. There's some autumn sage, some hot lip sage. There's a little dry creek bed, which I think looks really cute. And then this is not grass, this is actually a ground cover called Kurapia, which is perfect for kids to run around and play on. There's also some Calilophus hartwigii sundrops, which is not supposed to be in bloom right now, but there it is in bloom. There's also some Monardea viosa coyote mint. Apparently the Native Americans use the leaf of the coyote mint to brew some tea. But I think overall this garden looks really nice. Now this. Parkinsonia Desert Museum Palo Verde. Oof. And there's some lavender. I can't off the top of my head recall the exact variety. Probably Goodwin Creek